Hi, my name is Maria, and if you're seeing me for the first time, subscribe to my channel Ladymaria51. In the button that says subscribe, you will press it, and it will say subscribed. Also, there is a bell when you touch the subscribe button, and that bell also has to be activated. When you activate it, you get 2 stripes on the side, and the bell turns gray, which means that it is activated. What is the bell for? It is to receive notification every time I post a new video. Today we are going to do something very special and that many people have asked me to do. Do you know what we're going to prepare? That delicious frosting that we use for weddings and birthday cake, that is the one that I'm going to prepare. When I was a girl and I went to birthdays and they served me a piece of cake, the first thing I tried, you know what it is? The frosting! And that is the one that we're going to prepare. And we are not only going to prepare the frosting, which is the white frosting, but we are also going to make it colored. Let's prepare it. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que les estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. To prepare the frosting, you will need 4 pounds of confection sugar, 2/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of white vanilla, 1 pound of vegetable shortening, and for the colors you will need vegetable coloring of the colors orange, green, purple, red, yellow, and blue. Add the vegetable shortening and beat until creamy. Now we add the vanilla, we add the part of the water, half of the sugar, and mix. Now we add what was left of the sugar and water and we beat until well mixed. After the frosting is mixed well, I use a spatula to remove the frosting that remains on the container walls and add it to the mixture towards the center. And here is the frosting for weddings or birthday cakes. Now we're going to do the colored frosting. We separate a part of the frosting and add a few drops of vegetable coloring to it and mix it until it looks like this. This is orange frosting. Now we are going to make the blue frosting. And we will do the same with the other colors. Now in some pastry bags, we add the colored frosting to decor our cake. And here is the frosting ready to decor. And this frosting is super! You already know how to prepare this delicious frosting for your cake. Remember, give it a like, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. See you in the next video.